Eating alone outside just hits differently. So I made these lovely egg momos and tomato or khusani ko chutney. And yeah, chilies are called khusani in Nepali. Just some extra knowledge for you all. Since I was alone at home and I didn't want to eat alone, so I packed the momos and the tomato rakhusani ko chutney in a tiffin box and took it along with me to the beach. Luckily, while I was going, one of my friends also saw me, so he came along with me. So I did have some company to eat the momos, but even if you don't have, and if you are ever feeling lonely to eat the momos alone, always remember that